How to redeem Zappos gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Zappos gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to redeem Zappos gift card, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for zappos.com. Now, go ahead and sign yourself in if you are not signed in already. And now, in order to redeem your gift card, you will have to make a few purchases. So, go ahead and scroll through and select the product that you want to make a purchase of and tap on the Add to Bag button you see there. Further, tap on the Proceed to Checkout button. Now, enter your correct shipping address firstly and then scroll down and you will see the Payment Method tab. Tap on the Add a Gift Card or a promo code option you see there and further enter your promo code and tap on the Apply button. With this, if the promo code that you entered is correct, the promo code or the gift card will be applied successfully. So, this is how you can redeem Zappos gift card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorial. See you on the next one.